Another hunk of recyclable refuse. A duck's work is never done.
Man, I will sell you a body part for one Scooby Snack! Right, roar, Rick!
Guys!
That's it! Now grab the head, and whatever you do, don't drop! Oops!
Actually, it is a persistent hope, yes. Who'd want to bring home a dumbbell who doesn't know enough to keep his head out of the dirt, huh?
Well, I guess you're right.
Apology accepted. All right, I'm going to work. Somebody's got to put food on this table.
Good thing this child safety gate was here.
Okay.
I'm not convinced yet. Cats just love knocking stuff off shelves.
I was jealous, so I tried to make you jealous.
No. She should be right out. She's...
5 p.m.
Yippee! Is this hall pass guaranteed?
It's guaranteed to make me mad if you don't buy it.
Party's over, Bumper.
That face. Not my problem, not my problem.
'Cause it's a cartoon, you spook. Gophers can't really talk, you know.
Oh, yeah.